Hey everybody, welcome to 10 Minute Tuesday. If you are new here, my name is Crys'Dawna. I am a furniture artist. Every Tuesday we go over different stuff. If you are not new here, welcome back friends and family. Today I really don't have anything of super value to talk to you guys about. I just wanted to take the time to say thank you. I just wanted to make this video and say thank you to you guys. Yesterday I hit 50,000 subscribers, which maybe to some people doesn't seem like a lot, but I'm super proud of this channel and I'm super just grateful for all of you guys who watch and have made this grow. If you would have told me even a year ago that I was going to be making YouTube a part of my job, I would have told you that you were crazy. So I just want to say thank you guys so much. I know that you were probably expecting something better for 10 Minute Tuesday, but I feel like I don't get the chance to say thank you enough. So I wanted to say thank you, to give you a little bit of a background, of what I do is, so I own my own business. I own Belle Renovare by Crys'Dawna. I've been doing it for 5 years. I work with different companies as a brand ambassador and I create content for them. I also do custom work for people, and so doing the YouTube gig, because I don't have anyone helping me. So I have a 4 and an 8-year-old at home with me, and my daughter's in school, or she's usually in school, but she's in summer break now. But my son is at home with me because when COVID hit, they didn't start his preschool back up. So doing all that stuff, also taking care of kids, doing the whole mom thing, the wife thing, the cooking, stuff like that. Now, my husband is amazing. He's super supportive and helps, but he's active duty military, so he has a full-time job. So sometimes it's like, it's crazy to think that I've been able to keep this going, because sometimes, some days it's a lot of work. And again, I'm a one-woman show, a one-woman shop. I do everything. My husband will help me in things that I ask, but I do all the videoing, all the editing. Half the time I go get the furniture by myself, I unload it by myself. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for sticking with me. Because I try to make sure that I get you guys videos every single week and be consistent, because you guys are consistent with me, I try to bring that to you. So long story short, I just want to say thank you. Next Tuesday, I promise I'll be back with something else. But until then, again, truly, truly, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I will have a furniture video this week, so don't worry about that. I'm going to be making over some bar liquor cabinet thing it's over there. I will be doing that. And I just, instead of getting on and rambling and teaching you guys something, I just wanted to make sure I took the time to say thank you, because 50,000 it's a milestone. And I don't think my channel will ever have, it's never gonna have millions of people. This is just such a small niche. Maybe someday I'll hit 100,000. I don't know. If I do, great. But slow and steady is what I like. So again, thank you guys so much, and stay tuned or stick around. This week I'll have the furniture video, and then next Tuesday I promise I'll be back with a better 10 Minute Tuesday. What's better than me loving on you guys? All right, guys, have an awesome, awesome week, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.